Oh, who's there? A baby panda! You're so cute!
Chhoo?
Hi, little one. I'm Zivon.
Zuzu? Zivon.
You're my friend.
Best friends.
Forever.
Don't cry, Zivon. I'm here.
I'm sad, Zuzu.
Shh, it's okay. Hug?
Okay. Thank you, Zuzu.
Don't cry, Zuzu. I'm here.
Zivon, I was so scared.
It's okay now. We're together.
I'm happy now.
Hello, Zivon and Zuzu.
Hi, nurse.
Let's give you a quick checkup.
Okay.
Perfect. You're doing great.
Thank you. I feel better now, Zivon.
I'm glad. We'll get through this together.
Thank you, Zivon.